Where is it? Good camera. For my tarot deck. Let's see. I need something pointy. I have something pointy. Still in the middle of, still sort of unpacking. I probably should have finished a while ago, but... Oh. Carefully cut. So this is from Weather Factory. I accidentally ordered the wrong tarot deck. I accidentally ordered a second copy of this lovely deck that I have, which is an amazing deck with beautiful art from their game Cultist Simulator. And I saw that they had new copies of the Lucid Tarot, which is what's in here, on sale. And this was on my birthday, and I was like, I deserve a new tarot deck. I've worked hard. I've gone a long way this year. Also, I've wanted this for years, and I'm going to get it for myself. I was like, oh, it's on sale, because it was way cheaper than it used to be. It was way cheaper because it was the wrong one, and I was ordering this again, like a dummy. So I sent them a message and asked, hey, would I be able to swap these out? And they're very nice, super great. If you ever have a chance to check them out, they are some of the most communicative devs I've ever met. I haven't met a lot of devs, but they actually were kind, and they were like, oh, you can return it later and then we'll send you a refund. No, they were like, here, sure, yeah, here's the refund. Feel free to order it. Sweet, done. So let's open it up. Feels a shame to cut the shiny paper, but scissors are dull. I must sharpen them. Just going to be careful not to cut anything that's inside of it. I also don't want to tear through the kitty's face. And just cut the sticky stuff. Oh. Aha. The cat is safe. I put that sticker on the back of my bookcase here. Means I can now tear into it without fear of hurting the cat. The cat is safe. This right here. This. The Lucid Tarot. Gorgeous. Look at the bag it comes in. My god. The Society of Saint Hydra. Cult is the Society of Saint Hydra. Thank you for your order. You've made it possible for Weather Factory to buy another spooky toy for their cats. Lottie and Alexis. Let's get into it. I'm just going to drag OBS over here so I can see out of the corner of my eye. Comes with a little guide for reading tarot, which will be handy because I'm used to reading from this one, and I use this one because I know what the symbols mean in the game. I don't know what tarot means outside of the game that I play, which is Cultist Simulator. Look at that. Carefully. Scratch them. Is there a way to open this? There we go. Come on. I can feel it. Come on. There we go. I broke the skin. The blood spilleth forth. I think I'm gonna need to use the scissors. Careful not to scratch the cards. There we are. Oh, it's double layered in the plastic. Oh, thank goodness. It's so shiny. Side. Behold. Each card is like stained glass. Excuse me while I blind you for a second, but look at that. Look at the glory. It's beautiful. Go back there. There we go. Fool. Magician. The High Priestess. Let's see who we got. It's the mole. It's a mole. Mole, mole, mole. The Empress. The Emperor. The Hierophant. The Witch and Sister as the lovers. I think, is that the lion or the lionsmith or the colonel? I can never remember. 40, 60, 100, 120, 140, 160, 140, 160, 40. I don't know what that means either. That would be the lionsmith, I think. The Elgast is the hermit. And I apologize if I get any of these wrong, because I don't have the best of memories. Justice. The Hanged Man is the sun in rags. Death. Gorgeous. Temperance. Devil. Is that the Witch and no, that's that was in Book of Hours. The Tower, which is the wolf. Star. The Moon, which is the lighthouse. The Sun is the sun in splendor, I believe. Judgment. That looks vaguely forge. Gives me an feelings of change and the kind of change that brings pain, but is necessary. And we got the world. Now the suits. Oh, these are all... Oh god, every single card is a different... Damn, they outdid themselves. Look at these. Three of the Wands. Eight, 9, 10. Page, the Knight, Queen, the King. Every single card in this deck is a piece of art. And the best part about it is the way they're done, you can't tell what's on the other side. Because every card's art fits into there. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Oh, I found one of those yesterday. Figured out what they do, but I found one. Three of Pentacles, the Four of Pentacles, the 5, 6, 7, that's moth, clearly. The 8, the 9, 10, the page, the knight, and the queen, and the king. These are so gorgeous. Ace, and then we get to the swords. They do stick together a little bit sometimes. It's hard to tell because the cards are pretty thick. It's hard to tell if it's sticking together or there's more than one card, or if it's just one card that's very thick. 5, 6, 7. The wolf devours itself. The wormwood dream. 9, the 10. The glory is too much for a mortal. The knight of swords, the queen of swords, the king of swords. And cups. Look at the puppy. Look at the doggy. Good doggy. 3. Locksmith and clocksmith. Lockworks and clockworks. That's what that is. Of course, this is going to deal with a lot of grail because it's cups. That almost looks like a pair of legs, doesn't it? Or pincers. 10. Page, knight, queen, and king. Oh, this is so pretty. Okay. Now, I need to shuffle this. Shuffle this gorgeous deck. And then I'm going to do some tarot readings for anybody who wants one. It's satisfying to shuffle, to like move the cards around, because they're not paper, so they're all plastic. Which, yes, I know commercialism, using too much plastic in a product, not good, but also, have you seen them? They're gorgeous. These are works of art, each one. I don't care if you sent them to a factory to get made. Each copy is a work of art. Not anyone say otherwise. Wish they had more like small things, because I love getting these. I have the Cult of Silence, and now I have the Society of Saint Hydra as well, which I believe is heart. I do hope that the shininess doesn't rub off over the time. It'd make me sad to see it go away. Nope, they don't slide together very nicely. So this isn't the best way to shuffle them, I imagine. I imagine I could do one of those tricks. But I am not a card shark. I don't know how to do those. I am just a fox who knows how to turn into a person sometimes. Sometimes person, sometimes not. I am me. Oh, I have been pinged. Who pinged me? Me asking to join a recording studio? No. Somebody doing something somewhere else. Where is Twin? Twin was supposed to... Oh, Twin. Twin was supposed to come out and hang out. Where is the fox? Where will I be happy? Okay, where will I be happy? Four of Swords. Withdrawal, rest, preparation. So I will be happy at home. Nine of Swords. Fear, doubt, feel guilty about this thought. My reason and the future, authority, reason, ethics, and integrity. That seems generally positive. I like this deck. It gives me good readings. Anybody want to watch a tarot reading? Guidance towards a goal or questions from the future for the future? Let me break in my new deck. Get in there. The shinies. The shinies. This makes me happy. Now what to do next? Anybody got any ideas?